Hello, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh, and this is another Burgh unboxing. There's one item they sent me by mistake, and another item I gotta wait till I do the special Art Bell video. So that will be, well, let's do it on Saturday, on my birthday. It'll be appropriate. All right. I was gonna do it Thursday, but I'll wait to do it Saturday. Now this one is causing me trouble. I don't have another scissor handy that I can see. My scissors have disappeared. So bear with me here. And by the way, the language on the other one, it's because the home button is messed up. It keeps printing characters all over the place. Okay, here we go. Let's see what this is. I have no idea. What is this? This is a thing in a bag. All right. Burgh bagging, actually. This came from, I can't read it. Well, my problem, I still can't read. This came from Santa Barbara. And it's got it all on paper here. Advertising for a house that sold for $22 million. See a picture of the house there. It's a shrunken house. It's over $2 million. What the hell is this? Oh, I know what this is. I know what this is. Well, I had no way of knowing. All right, this one I'll show you. This is the commemorative button. I'm going to wind up with all this trash here. Alright, this is what I'm going to wear on my hat. Uh-oh. Something just happened there. And you can see this button, maybe. And it's Art Bell. So I'll be wearing this in my hat, but my paranormal hat. These are on sale on eBay, so I spent a little bit to get this button. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great day. Stay warm, dry, or cool wherever you are, and stay safe. And Art Bell special tribute program on Saturday. And this is another episode of Burgh Unboxing. Bye-bye for now.